Are you going down now, Darren? Hey,
Woody.
It's me, Doug. Hey,
you're not fixing me yet. You're not fixing me yet. No, you don't. You didn't put the fixture yet.
I sounded like someone was getting hand.
Say cheese.
You don't got a fixture. You don't.
Want a pickle?
Deep, you're gonna picture me, Deep. You're gonna fucking work for it. Okay? And you are gonna work for that picture. Okay? Now look, you got one leg, now take it. Now take your leg.
Take the picture.
Okay, now take your leg. Okay. And you will take this picture for the next hour.
I almost got you there.
No, you don't. Yes, you will.
He's got you fooled, Deep.
I know, I got you. All night. All night. I got you. All night. This is gonna be a great adventure tonight, actually.
You going to White Castle?
That's a fucking sweet move. There's no way he's gonna get you on camera.
You don't got me yet.
Like a fucking ostrich in the...
Oh, I got ya.
No, you don't.
Here he comes. My fucking head hurts.
No, yeah.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, man.
We still gotta finish all this booze.
No! Not yet.
Just fucking smile once.
What are you doing, Woody? Woody. Go to sleep, buddy. Put the blankets on the fucking thing and go to sleep.
You get half of them there.
You. The boys are there.
The boys, yeah.
The boys are
I understand. Good for them. We're on camera doing that, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Just for drinking.
What happened to fucking Darren's? You still trying to get him on camera?
And Woody is officially fucking done.
Yeah, fuck you.
Deep is $20 richer.
Yep. And I'm still awake.
Well, we got
Give me my
fucking
camera.
Wait, the Deep ain't gonna finish all
Give me
this
my
fucking
camera.
Just
Been dug out last
You have to give me my camera first.
you just have to say, I'm Darren Lansdale and I am not smarter than a 5th grader.
You know, you have to give me my camera first, because I'm not done it yet.
But you caught fish.
Fucking right, we got this.
Give me my camera, Deep.
Want me to put it away for you?
You know?
I'll talk about it for a while.
You
to my
can't
friends and all
just
that
give
shit.
me my camera.
Water in
Can I just take one picture?
This isn't fishing.
I guess
Earlier
so.
this fucking year, me and a group of guys went up and